Want to remotely start your 2019-2021 Acura RDX using the key fob? It's simple. First, ensure your key fob is within a reasonable range, up to 100 meters. Press and hold the lock button on the key fob for about 2 seconds. Then quickly press the lock button twice in rapid succession within 1 second. A beep or horn honk will confirm that the engine has started. The engine will run for 10 minutes. Remember, this feature is only for automatic transmission models. Before using remote start, be aware of a few key points. The system checks engine oil, battery, and fuel levels. It won't start if any are critically low. It also won't engage if the doors are unlocked, the trunk is open, or the car is in gear. After 10 minutes, the engine will automatically shut off unless you enter the vehicle and insert the key. Always ensure the vehicle is in a well-ventilated area to avoid carbon monoxide risks. If remote start fails, check the key fob battery. They typically last 1 to 2 years. If issues persist, consult your Acura dealer. For enhanced security, keep your AcuraLink app updated, as Acura released a firmware update in early 2024 to address potential vulnerabilities. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for your AcuraLink account for added protection.